northeastern Douglas County in north-central Georgia, northern Fayette County in north-central Georgia, Fulton County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, western Henry County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Rockdale County in north-central Georgia, until 1:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Atlanta, Marietta, Douglasville, McDonough, Decatur, Fayetteville, Jonesboro, City of South Fulton, Peachtree Corners, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Johns Creek, Alpharetta, Smyrna, Dunwoody, East Point, Duluth, Stockbridge, Union City, and Forest Park.
Encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
When it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
At 7 p.m.
The severe thunderstorm warning for central Rockdale, southeastern DeKalb, and southwestern Gwinnett counties will expire at 7 p.m.
Wind southwest at 6 miles an hour. Pressure was 29.90 inches and rising. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for Clayton County in north-central Georgia.
Clayton County in north-central Georgia. County in north-central Georgia, DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Douglas County in north-central Georgia, northern Fayette County in north-central Georgia, Fulton County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, western Henry County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Rockdale County in north-central Georgia, until 1:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Atlanta, Marietta, Douglasville, McDonough, Decatur, Fayetteville, Jonesboro, City of South Fulton, Peachtree Corners, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Johns Creek, Alpharetta, Smyrna, Dunwoody, East Point, Duluth, Stockbridge, Union City, and Forest Park. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.